Look closely at this silent world. This is Mars, a desolate frontier, sculpted by solar wind and time. A landscape of brutal, beautiful permanence. You see the towering cliffs of Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our system, and canyons that dwarf our Grand Canyon. Yet, the stark beauty before you is a tomb, a monument to an impossible past, and a proving ground for an uncertain future. 4 billion years ago, the red planet was blue. Geologic evidence, the dried up river deltas in places like Jezero Crater, confirms Mars was once a warm, wet world. It held an atmosphere thick enough to trap heat, and it harbored an ocean that likely covered a third of its surface. It was a second cradle for life, just one orbit away. It was protected by a powerful global magnetic field, but that planetary shield eventually failed. When the shield collapsed, Mars was left naked against the solar winds. The sun's breath, a relentless stream of charged particles, began to strip away the atmosphere. The blue sky faded to a thin pink haze, and the vast oceans either boiled off or froze deep beneath the crust. The world went from blue to red, from vibrant to vacant. Today, we are excavating the ruins. Our primary scout is Perseverance, the most advanced science rover ever sent to Mars, searching for signs of ancient microbial life. Every rock drilled by the rover, every ancient clay layer analyzed, confirms a staggering truth. Mars was habitable. The planet is still active. Orbiters detect strange, unexplainable plumes of methane gas. While we don't yet know if life ever existed, each discovery brings us closer to answering this cosmic question. Crucially, the water is not completely lost, confirming enormous reserves of water ice just beneath the surface. This is the resource that changes Mars from a scientific curiosity into a definitive future home. More than that, we are already breathing with Mars. Perseverance is equipped with the experimental MOXIE device, which has successfully generated breathable oxygen by drawing in the planet's carbon dioxide-rich air and splitting the molecules apart. We have taken our first breath on another world. The ancient tragedy of Mars is a grim warning, but also a challenge we are ready to accept. The plan is audacious, driven by necessity and ambition. It begins with autonomous cargo missions and the first human crews who will not just survive, but build. They will extract that buried water ice, cracking it into breathable oxygen and rocket propellant, using In-Situ Resource Utilization to live off the land. The human element is the ultimate defiance. Astronauts will face relentless radiation and psychological isolation, but their resilience will pave the way for Martian cities. The goal is not just to establish a base, but to harness our ingenuity to defy the solar wind and eventually give the red planet back what it lost. To make Mars blue, and to guarantee humanity's future as a multi-planetary species. The silence of the Martian desert is about to be broken. The next great chapter of human history will be written on the iron-stained plains of our nearest neighbor. The era of the Martian is about to begin.